Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating basic losses. Make sure fluids are correct and tires are at spec. Once done, replace the air filter with a high-flow unit and fit a simple cold air intake to let the engine breathe. This raises torque at low RPM. Next, change to performance spark plugs and upgraded wires to sharpen combustion timing and throttle response. These first steps cost little time but give measurable gains, and they prepare the car for the next, more involved modifications. Once intake and ignition are improved, reduce exhaust restriction with a catback system. You'll free up mid-range power and improve sound. Then consider a throttle body spacer or larger throttle body to increase airflow velocity and throttle response. This helps at part throttle and off the line. Finally, tune the ECU using a handheld programmer or a custom dyno tuned so air, fuel, and timing align with the new hardware. Make sure to monitor knock and AFRs during this step to avoid damage. To finish, fit a low-restriction downpipe or midpipe where legal, which unlocks the upper RPM band. Pair that with the existing catback and tune adjustments. Then verify all bolts and torque specs, clear fault codes, and recheck air-fuel ratios and ignition timing. If you added forced induction, inspect boost control. If you encounter misfires, check wiring, vacuum leaks, and fuel pressure if knock persists. Revert to the safe map and address fueling before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.